हेलो एवरीवन। सो इस वीडियो में नेक्स्ट 5-6 क्वेश्चन सोल्व करेंगे नंबर सिस्टम के। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है x इज लेस देन 0.5, y is between 0 to 1 and z is greater than 1. When they are arranged in ascending orders, the middle number is called the median. So the median of the, let's say x is 0, y is 0.5 and z is some 5. So the median of the numbers would be less than 1. It seems true. Between 0 to 1 seems true. Greater than 1, not always. Can't say, can be happen. Let's say y is, let's say, okay, 0.5 is x, y is 0.1 and z is 1 point something. So here again, the median is coming between 0 to 1, or I would say less than 1. And between 0 to 1 is both seems correct. But let's see another case. I think it would be between 0 to 1 because if you notice, then if y is greater than x, then it is between 0 to 1. If x is greater than y, then it is between 0 to 1. So answer should be between 0 to 1. Let's see next question. Let x is less than 0, y is 0 to 1 and z is greater than 1. Focus on the word maybe, it is not must be, है ना? So x is -1, z is 2 and y is equal to half. So yz can be less than 1. Y into z is 1 and we take y as 1/4, then it would be less than 1. So it can happen, it can be false, it can be true, है ना? So let's say x square minus z square has to be positive. X square minus z square has to be positive. This can be false, this can be false. Xy can never be 0. Can xy be 0? Can xy be 0? No. So it is always true. This is true statement. Na? Y square minus z square is always negative. Y square minus z square. Yeah, this is also true. Na? So our focus is these two statements. Because these both statements can be false. Na? So x square minus z square, most probably it can be false, but it can also be true. If you take x as infinity minus infinity, so minus infinity square minus 2 ka square would be positive, है ना? Because that would be infinity square minus 4. So that could be positive. That could be negative also when you take x as 0.5 and z as infinity. So yz can be less than 1. Yz can be less than 1. Yeah, but it can be greater than 1 also. So I have confusion in both these statements. According to me, both can be false. Both can be false. है ना? I have to check the answer. What is the answer? Is the question wrong or something? A young girl counted in the following way on the fingers of her left hand. She started calling the thumb 1, index finger 2, middle finger 3, ring finger 4, little finger 5. Then reverse the direction, calling the sorry, calling the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then calling the ring number 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, then back to index figure 10, middle 11, and so on. She got up to 19. She had it on her finger. Okay. So can I draw this like this is how the hands look. So first we put this 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, then 10, then 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, then 14, then 15, then 16, then 17, then 18. So something like this. If we divide this by 6, then remainder will be 1. No, no, no. Here the remainder would be 3. Here the remainder would be 5. Okay. So here the remainder from, we have to ultimately you can see that we have to find the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and from here 6, 7, 8, 9. This is one group. Then this is 10, this is 11, this is 12, this is 13, then this is 14, then this is 15, then this is 16, and 17. So then this would be 18, then this would be 90, that's 20, 21. So something you get to know that it is the some uh, group cluster formation, and we have to find 99 1994 where it would lie. So what I can see here from is 13, 21, we jump by 8, we jump by 8. If I add 1600, so 1613, 1600 plus 13 would lie on the fifth finger, है. Then I would add 400. That means 2013 also lie. Then I would remove 14. 40. That I am already multiplying, adding the multiples of 8, because 8 would lie on the multiple of 8 would lie on the 5 if we add 13 in it also, है ना. So 3 जरा check. 7, 9, and 1. 1, 9, 7, 3. And now I add 16. That would be 9, 8, 9, 1. So 1981 lies here. Then 90 would lie here, 91 here, 92 here, 93 here, 94 here. 94 on the finger of 2. The 2 finger is called index finger. So answer would be index finger. I should say that this question must be tried by you once more after watching this video. And this is the perfect cat level question, because it involves some new judgment, some new technique without any formula, है ना. What is the smallest value of k? Okay, that doesn't determine y, x, y, z uniquely. So I don't know what is this question and what it is, but I would it is smallest task, so I would start with the smallest option. If I say 6, then 1, 2, 3 would be the only choice, or you can say 3, 2, 1 would be the only choice. So 6 can't be the answer. Let's say for the 7. 7 7 would be 1, 3. This, if this is 1, uh, this is 2, 3, and this is 4. 1 to 4 is one pair. 1, 3, I have to write like this because x, okay, z is greater. So y 1 to 4. Then if I 1, 3, no, 1, 3, 3 would not be possible. If I say 2, then we have to divide 5. 5 would be 3, 5. So 7 would not also be possible. So I think 8 would be possible, है ना? If this is not, then 8 must be possible. 72 hands cost something 0.7 something. Then what does each hand cost where 2 digits in place of dash are not visible or written in illegible hand? So I would start with it is given that total cost is equal to n into price, है ना? Now we have to find, we have some information about total cost, that is 96.7 something into 72 into price. We have 4 choices. For I would start with first choice and multiply 72 into 3.23. If I had do I have calculator here? I have to check. Yeah, I do have. Okay, it is there, है ना? So that's basically I want to show you that how to do such questions. Okay, okay. So this, it's too big in size, but it's I think all right. So 72 into, if I first choice 3.23, that would be equal to 232.5, but here we need 6, so this can't be the answer. That choice is gone. I'm closing this calculator, guys. Wait a minute. Yeah, so this cannot be the answer. Now in my mobile I will calculate 72 into 5.11, so 367.92. 367 point, before point we need 6, not 7, so this choice is gone. 72 into 5.51, that's end up to 396.72. That is all right. 396.72. So this choice is fine and perfect. We don't have to check for this. Okay. So this is a simple question. A cube plus B cube. If you use identity, 55 plus 45, A plus B, then A square plus B square minus AB. The same formation is in the denominator, so this will be cut by this. The answer would be 100. Three consecutive positive integers numbers are such that the thrice three consecutive positive even numbers, consecutive and even. So a plus 2 and a plus 4. Such that the thrice of the first number exceeds double the third number by 8. So a would be 11. But a would be 11. That would not be possible because it is the even number. So uh, double the third by 2, it is 2, not it is 2, so we would get this is as 10. So the third number would be 10 plus 4, that is 14. If ABC are integers, okay, ABC are integers, then I would write a minus b plus c greater than a plus b minus c. No matter what a is, but the signs are same on the both sides, so this will be cut by this. And I can okay, c sign is minus, so 2c is greater than 2b. If we divide both equations by 2, c is greater than b. So that is the final result we are getting. So we can't say b is negative, we can't say c is positive, so no choice can be inferred. Sachin is 11 years young. So these types of questions generally don't appear in the CAT recently. It is a 1995 pattern. So we should not, we should less focus on these types of questions. These questions are still being asked in the MCAT test series, but that is some different concern for us. We will focus on the more recent what is happening, and uh, if it is relevant, we will try it. So these questions are also not relevant, but let's try. Now, n cube is odd, so n must be odd, है ना? N must be odd. If n is odd, n square would be odd. N is odd, and n, so first and second equations satisfy. N square can't be even if n is odd. Guys, it will be more fun जब number system and profit and loss ये topic चलेंगे, तो that would be more learning for you, because number system is, I know that, quite boring, but hope you are getting what I am doing, assuming the values, assuming the things for, and making the questions look very simple. So b square is equal to mpb, where b ampere distinct, then m is equal to, okay, तो b मैं ले लूंगा यार, जैसे मुझे लेना है जिसका 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 सारी डिजिट से डिस्टिंक्ट हो, तो 17 अगर मैं लूंगा तो 289 आएगा ना. All are distinct, we have to find m is the first list, so the 2. So how I did it, I started by thinking 11 is these two same. Then I thought that if I take 13, 14, 12, then one would appear here for every, but for till 14, because 14 is 196, so this would cross by this. So for the 15 I would receive 225, that is cancelled. For the 16 I would receive 256, that's two sixes are there. For 17 that is 289. So that's how you do. There is no shortcut, there is no That is all depends on how fast you are at memorizing the squares, and squares till 20 or 25 are the uh, finest ones to remember, and they are the only ones which you need in the cat. 5-digit numbers are formed using only 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 exactly once. So there are five digits, and 5-digit number has to be formed. What is the difference between the maximum and minimum number that can be formed? So maximum would be to place the everything in the descending order. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. This is the maximum number. For the minimum, I cannot put 0 here. So I would start with 1, then 0, then 2, then 3, then 4. So 10 minus 4, 6. So if there is यहाँ पे अगर none of these नहीं होता तो मैं ऐसा आंसर देखता जहाँ पे 6 and 6 है ना, लेकिन अभी none of these है तो इसका कुछ मतलब नहीं रह गया, अगले कई क्वेश्चन में कुछ में आएगा तो हम देखेंगे, है ना। तो that would be the answer. n is an odd, n odd है या नहीं है, n 3 से डिविजिबल है, ठीक है, n 5 से डिविजिबल है, n 7 से डिविजिबल है, n 9 से डिविजिबल है। तो n एक ऐसा नंबर है 5 इंटू 3 इंटू 7 इंटू 9, तो मतलब 63 इंटू 15, 15 तिका 45, 15 15 चिका 90, 945 है ना। तो n ये नंबर है, या n हो सकता है 0, 0 नहीं हो सकता, 0 to 100 के बीच में। तो ये क्वेश्चन तो 945 होगा मिनिमम। नहीं 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 नहीं, थोड़ा सा गलती हो गया, इस कैल्शियम लेना ना, तो 9 तो उसमें कवर हो जाएगा। तो 945 नहीं, 9 इंटू 5 इंटू 7, तो 7 पचा 35, 350 में से 35 घटाएंगे, दैट इज 35 इंटू 9, दैट इज 315 आएगा, है ना। 315। तो एन ये नंबर आएगा। अब इसको थोड़ा सा भी बढ़ाना है, मान को हल्का सा भी बढ़ाना है, तो इससे बड़ा नंबर क्या आएगा, 630, जो होगा 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। तो लेकिन 0 एंड 400 के बीच मतलब एन ओड होगा ही होगा, सो आंसर वुड बी यस। सो दिस कंप्लीट्स अवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो। तो अगली वीडियोस के लिए आप चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर ले और टेलीग्राम लिंक ज्वाइन कर लें। थैंक यू एंड हैव ए नाइस डे। आई होप योर प्रिपरेशन इज गोइंग वेरी वेल एंड वी ऑल डू वेरी वेल in this CAT 2022.